Isixeko saseKapa sithi inani labahlali likhule ngapha kokuqonda susela kwagqityelwa ukubala kwiminyaka elishumi eyagqithayo. Bathi oku kudala ingxaki ezimandla ezinjengokukhula kweendawo zokugoba ityholo nezo zabantu abangenandawo zokuhlala. Bathi xa kunokuqinisekiswa kubalwe kakuhle, oku kuzonceda ukuqokelela ulwazi lokuba abantu bahamba njani, besuka phi, besiya phi, bazokwazi ukubanika iziseko ezingundoqo.
It's very likely that the populations of the Western Cape and the city of Cape Town have grown at a rate far exceeding national population growth. This means that we are receiving proportionately smaller allocations of the national budget than we ought to be. And we hope and we know with a sense of optimism and surety that this census will correct that imbalance.
In our schools, we feel it every single year. We've had to put so much extra resource into an unknown. Because last year we had 19,000 extra learners over and above what we planned for the year. This year, at the end of the year, the numbers that we were gathering was nearly 29,000 extra learners for our school system for this year.
Ubalo lwalo nyaka lizoba lelokuqala elenziwa ngobuxhaka-xhaka bale mihla, yaye lizokukhawuleza ukuzisa iziphumo kunelo lango-2011. Eliziko lokubala uStats SA uthi unxulumana nabezomthetho ukufumana ulwazi lokuba bangangena nini kwiindawo ezithe mbende bubukrelemnqa nolwaphulo-mthetho.
We have a particular strategy to tackle our high-risk areas, and that is to sweep the area. So we move in teams. We don't send individuals in. But we do get a briefing from the police service every morning on possible hotspots. And we do have the full support. Our enumerators report to every police station, so they are known that they're in the area at what time. But we work on the intelligence to say these are areas that you might not want to go for the next few days. There's high-risk activities, and we just follow that protocol as far as possible.
Umphathiswa kwiofisi kamongameli uMondli Gungubele ebekwisikhululo senqwelomoya saseKapa ekukhuthaza eli qela lezibalo.
It became important to accompany our team, to say to our people, even their political leaders are in this game. We are yearning to see the president enumerating, the deputy president enumerating. We hope to have that arrangement, just the leaders of the country demonstrating that what they are doing is a very serious job. It's not that their own thing that they woke up and got excited about.
Thule Joga, Iindaba SABC, ndiseKapa.